So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a region on Temu. So first of all, open up the Temu app. After that, you can see at the bottom home, categories, you, and the cart. You can see the search bar at the top part of the page. So just open up the you part and you can see email, you can verify, you can see your orders, messages, reviews, you can see history, win reward, addresses, and the following. You can also see at the top part of the page the settings. You can just go ahead and click on that settings. Through here, you can see account security, privacy, permissions, and safety center. You can see then payment methods, language, currency notifications, about the app, legal terms, share, switch, and sign out. Through there, go to country and region. So you can see there's a lot of countries and regions added to this page. And let's just scroll through them. You can see it's alphabetically added A to V. So if I wanted to switch to, let's say, Portugal, I click on this and you can see here it says switch to Portugal to this specific region. Click on that and you can see country, region changed successfully. So if I were to go back to the U part of the page or go to the settings, I will see something a bit different. So I can see the PT, the abbreviation for Portugal. And if I open it up on here, it's going to be a check mark next to that region right there. So that's about how you can change regions in Temu. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.